Hello students, in previous video I explained you the personal pronouns, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and today I explain you the indefinite pronoun. Now the indefinite pronouns tells that the noun is indefinite and not particular. The words some, somebody, anyone, nothing, anything, none, no one, everyone, all, one are indefinite pronouns. स्टूडेंट्स indefinite pronoun जो होता है वो जो noun होता है वो indefinite होता है, not particular होता है. उसे हम जब होता है तब उसके लिए हम indefinite pronoun का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. जिस तरह से ये words given है some, somebody, anyone, nothing, anything, none, no one, everyone, all, one are indefinite pronoun. Example, somebody is knocking on our door. कोई हमारा दरवाजा खटखटा रहा है. Now here exercise, fill in the blanks with indefinite pronouns. We use the some indefinite pronoun and fill these blanks. Like the first one is done for you. Someone has spoilt my painting. किसने किया? वो indefinite है, so we use someone. Like nothing is immortal. कोई भी चीज़ जो है वो mortal नहीं है. I want something from you. मुझे तुमसे कुछ चाहिए. Anyone knew the correct answer. Anyone कोई जानता है correct answer? None must be disrespectful. किसी को भी disrespectful नहीं होना चाहिए. Somebody came forward to help him. कोई सामने आए मदद करने के लिए. So students, like that we use the indefinite pronouns. These are the questions for your practice. We go to the next pronoun. This one is distributive pronoun. Now distributive pronouns refer to the noun singularly. Distributive pronoun जो होता है वो refer करता है noun को singular form में. The words each, neither, either are distributive pronoun. ये सारे words जो होते हैं ये हमेशा singular form में noun को use करते हैं distributive pronoun में. Like example is each is an expensive necklace. ये जितने भी necklace हैं वो हर एक necklace के बारे में बता रहा है तो वो सभी expensive है. So you see here that in distributive pronoun it refers noun singularly. Distributive pronoun जो होता है वो noun को singular form में present करता है, refer करता है. तो एक चीज़ आप ये ध्यान रखोगे कि जब भी हम distributive pronoun use करेंगे तो जो उसकी verb होगी वो भी singular form में होगी. Like each boy got a slice of the pizza. Here each of the girls could dance. Here each of the girls could dance. Each of the soldiers was brave. Each of you can carry these books. Each of the children got a gift from Santa Claus. And each road will lead to the airport. Next is the possessive pronoun. Students, possessive pronouns indicate possessions as they stand for the noun. ये possessions show करते हैं जो noun के लिए stand करती है, like I, mine, we, ours, you, yours, he, his, she, hers, it, its, they, theirs are possessive pronoun. Here like these slippers are mine. Mine is a possessive pronoun. Now transform each sentence using possessive pronoun. You have to transform each sentence in possessive pronouns. Like the first one is done for you. That is their house. So that house is theirs. Like that, that is her coin. So the sentence become that coins is hers. This is his room. So this room is his. This is your table. This table is yours. That is my school. That school is mine. That is her necklace. That necklace is hers. So students, like that you have to transform these sentences using possessive pronouns.